Peekaboo! Celine is hiding behind the clouds. Lang lang! Good morning guys! It's currently 11 in the morning at aalis tayo ngayon. Kakalapag ko lang kay Baby Celine sa ating sasakyan. Kasi, kanina pa sana kami aalis. But then, nakatulog siya kasi pinadede ko. Hang on, Daddy's calling. Hi, Bob. Oh, can you have a look in the bedroom then? On top of that tallboy. Near your phone before. We're at Paddington now. Kakapark ko lang guys. So we're going to the op shop. They have a couple of op shops here that we can check out.
Yeah, I'm just gonna quickly look in here while you put her in the car.
What is it called again?
What is it now? So Celine's sleeping and
That was a kookaburra.
to wake her up. Ay, shush, tingnan niyo. Tulog na tulog. Ay. Tulog na tulog ang baby. Ay. Daddy, put the shoes on. Shoes. Okay. She's not gonna sit down. Let me go get her, Daddy.
Come sit down. Put something on the front first, just so I can put it on, and then I'll take a photo.
Ayaw magpalagay ng ating baby girl sa pram. Ayan. Oh, nilakad ng kanyang daddy. Ako na lang magbitbit nitong pram na walang baby. Pasok tayo dito. Oh, bilis. First stop. We have a few more there. Tingnan nyo, Christmas na Christmas na dito sa kanila. Oh, mga karito. Okay. Interesting. Let's go in. Andito na sa loob si Ate Paris tsaka si Lola niya. Ayan. Psst. Ate. What have we got? Show me. Oh, wow. Wait. What is that? That's cute.
Can you buy it?
How much is that one?
Huh?
Is there a price on it? How much?
Is it $4?
Maybe.
Let's look.
Yeah, it's $4.
Is
Come, let's
that
go have a look around. My mom's there.
Can we get this?
Do you want to play with that? I
Huh?
think that's her baby. What would you like?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? Like a real ice cream or a toy? We'll get ice cream later after lunch.
No, I already ate.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
When?
What's that?
Ah, at home.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, sure, Mom. I'll grab
Finish
this.
it all. I finished mine.
Did you?
I finished it.
Oh, sure. Ayan. Pumasok sa Daddy Mark dito kanina. Ito yung napili niya, dalawa. Ay, tatlo. Pero kinuha ng mama niya. Isa siya tayo yung babae. It's two.
Let's make an ice cream.
Yes, later, my love.
No,
Have a look at this. Big shorts.
mine now.
Check this out. I love this one. Cheeky, but it's size 9. It looks like it's going to be big on me. Ganda pa naman ito.
Mine.
Ito ang mga type, guys. Mga papuok. Papuok.
This is cool.
What is that lang?
This one. Let's look.
What's inside? Oh, bells?
Huh?
Bells?
Yeah.
Ito, hindi ko na bet itong mga ito. Ito lang yung bet ko, but I think it's... No?
$2 is it?
Try ko nga. We'll
$2.
see. Come here, sweetie. Meron silang mga ganyan. Oh. Cute. Vintage na vintage talaga ang datingan. Gold na gold. Pangsanga. Hi.
Get it?
Sweetie?
Can I get this?
What you gonna do with that one, anak?
I can make the
We'll just end up in the bin.
Huh?
You better get this one or the toy instead of that one.
Why?
Because you're not gonna play with that, anak. Mama knows. I'll show you my outfit today. So, ito ang ating pa-outfit. So, just a shirt.
I can make a necklace with it. Now I can make a necklace with those. I can make a
Up
necklace.
to you, my love. You decide, okay? So, we're trying on stuff, guys. May tatlo akong gustong i-try dito. First one is this. Itong pepper shirts naman. Hindi ko siya bet kasi medyo malaki siya. Tapos, ano siya, hindi siya high-rise. Alam niyo naman, may bill-bill tayo ba? Maganda yung hanggang dito. Ito ay, low-rise lang to siya. But it's cute. Yes, anak. See? Ang aking assistant ay, yucky. Where did you pick it up from? Ganda sana guys, pero
I just fell.
now, the second one is also a no. Kasi, hala, bakat naman po eh. Gusto, dapat sana talaga guys, yung pag ano, ang tawag dito, pang leggings or sports, ano ba, dapat sana hindi siya ganito. Kailangan hapit na hapit talaga. Ito ay medyo malaki pa. Ganda pa naman yung kulay niya. But it's a no. The third one is this jeans from Topshop. And it's size petite, waist is 28. So, hopefully, the third one will be lucky. Sana hindi siya masyadong mahaba. Ay, that's my problem. But, nakatatak naman na pang petite to siya. So, tingnan nyo. Kita ba? Ayan, so hopefully, kasha.
Wow.
Here it is. Medyo maano pa rin siya guys. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Malaki pa rin yung ano niya. 28 to siya ha. Ano pa yung waist ko? Lumiit talaga ako siguro ba? Perfect sana ang kanyang length. But dito, kasi malaki siya ba? I really love the length sana. Anak B, excuse anak B. So I can show. Tamang-tama lang. Dito lang ang problema. Maybe I can, ano kayong pwede dito? Ganyan naman talaga yung style niya. Hindi naman to siya skinny jeans, straight jeans. Isip-isip.
Oh, my church is full. My pee.
Hello, happy girl. Yeah, don't look at us. Go with other pairs. Go with other pairs, quick. Okay, let's go. Mama will pay now. Go there. Ayan, nakapasok mo dito, oh. Let's go. Can you get her, please, Daddy? Because I'm gonna pay. Ah, lucky girl. Did you say thank you to Daddy? Let's get this. Second stop. Red Cross. Let's go in. We'll see what's available here. Where's the Lynn? Lynn?
No, I can't do so.
Oh yeah, it's cute. We'll have a look there. My cute prints. Celine girl. Peekaboo. Celine is hiding behind the clouds. Lang. Where did you go, Nak?
I just wanted to look for some stories.
Stories?
Yeah, can you read some stories for me? There's some over here. I'll show where the
I'll have a look here first. And then we'll go have a look there, okay? We're in the cafe now. Order kami ng makakain. Nakabalik na ang ating daddy tsaka si Baby Celine. Napadali ko na yan. Tignan niyo pagkabalik. Wala na ang kanyang headband at wala na ang kanyang pacifier. Gone. Ay, wala. Anak ko, mag-iyak-iyak mo naman yan.
Just get food.
Ito yung nakamili ko doon, guys, sa last na pinuntahan namin. So, I will do a haul later on. Lini.
No, Lee.
Happy na yan, kinakadili na.
There's really good food up there. Where I went to.
Oh, thank you. I will just be here. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Yan, for mommy.
I do want sugar.
No, we share na. Hot ice chocolate.
Wow.
Ito tayo doon, guys. So, sa kabilang kanib ng mundo. So, just across the road, there's another op shop.
I already had ice chocolate today.
Oh, really? Yeah, you don't need another one then?
But I still want to move. But I still want to.
Buns?
Mom, who's that for?
For us.
Seeing you?
You can have some.
Well, I already had croissants.
You can have another one.
I don't want mine. Can I only have 2 bites?
Okay.
I already had.
A few moments later.
Nak, hold Selena. Have a look. She wants to hold you. Look. Aw, Lily. Oh. Nak, she wants to hold you while we're walking.
Okay.
Go! Nandito kami ngayon sa baba ng Story Bridge. Hindi pa nakapunta yung mama ni Daddy Matt dito sa first time.
What is that purple flag mean?
Lord Mayor's Christmas Appeal. Oh gosh! Lainey wants to be independent, like, you know, walking.
Oopsie.
Look, there's a playground there.
I stepped on poo.
Did you?
Yeah. By accident. I stepped on poo. I stepped on poo.
That's why you smell like a poo-poo.
I'll show you. You always stepped. Wait, you almost stepped on a butterfly.
Did she?
Yeah. I thought it was a grasshopper, but it's a
Huh?
butterfly.
Hold mama na. You can't just go by yourself.
Yep.
You have to hold mama. Come on, let's go. No, there's car. Careful. La 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 la. Good girl. Ay, Celine. Go, go. Follow daddy. Ate Paris and Lola. Eh. Ayaw niya magpa-carry. Go, go, daddy. This way. Asan kaya sila pupunta? Dito sana. Oh. Under the coconut tree. Asan sila upo eh? Go.
Hi.
What is it?
This one. Hi, lemonade.
Got calamari.
That's for mommy. Yeah, give to mama.
Oh, this is cute.
Give to mama. Celine, give to mommy. Good fish.
Fish and chips.
What's that?
Nini!
Why don't we
Clean. Bring my chips back. Lini! La, there's monster there. Ah! Celine! Can you bring it back, please? 0% game. Go run at the Paris! Quick, quick, quick! Take a ate! Ate! Ano pa yung ginagawa nila dyan?
finding worms. Like, want to help us find some worms?
Worms?
Yeah.
Wow.
Such a gorgeous girl. Maybe let's give her a cuddle.
Where you going, Ling?
I think we're going to find a juicy worm.
Yucks. She wants to go to the park. Give it back to the Paris, please.
Go back to Paris now. Sharing? Sharing? Can Daddy have some? Daddy have some? No, let go of it. Can I have one?
Not careful, like, don't step on the... Give some to Mama, babe. Let it go. Where are you going?
Do you want this for yourself?
Hello.
How do I sound? What's the sound of the witch?
Be careful, you might fall in.
I'll be careful. Mangrove. That's mangrove na.
Which one?
That one.
Huh?
That little one, see? Daddy, ayan na sila, oh. My mother dear, Celine na una. So we had our fish and chips, had some ice cream, and now we're just walking by the river.
I found something.
Tingin,
I
tingin.
found a treasure.
Which one?
See that blue thing?
Yeah, it's a plastic bag.
Somebody wants
Kalubog sa tubig na ko eh. Ito na ko eh. Lubog. Can you say lubog? Lubog, yeah.
Hi.
Hmm?
Why is the water dirty?
Yeah, because it's muddy na. Under it, it's muddy, that's why.
Why can we not see stuff
Ilog ng
underwater?
Pasig. Hala, nakahulog na. Did you see the big, how do you call that one? Lizard? Look.
What big thing?
Lizard. Look. See? Hala.
Where?
Can you see? Stay.
Where?
Okay. Here, come here. There, there. Did you see it?
Where? I couldn't see it. Tell me where it is. You might know where that is.
Yeah, if I see another one. Hala, nawala na yung tatay na. Where's Lola Karen?
They're just far away on the road. Let's see the rock side of the bar. But why can't that's what?
Because it's low tide now. See, if it's high tide, the water is up to here.
But you can see a shark being a shark back.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah, there. They're under the bridge now.
And there's this. Oh, well, where's that mean?
Keep going.
Huh?
Keep going.
Let me look at this one. What kind of lizard was it you see?
I'm not too sure.
How did they get down?
Very low tide.
Huh?
They use this one probably.
Which one?
This
one?
lie down, yeah.
Sometimes
Oh, very relaxing dito, oh. And the trees. Yes, sweetie?
I wish I could go there. How would they get up?
Huh?
They'll climb up.
Yeah, they have to climb up.
I wish
Ah,
I went there.
sobrang init sa labas. Tapos dito, this is so cool. It's there, nak, oh. There's a stairs there. The stair. There. Nene!
I wish we went down there in low time.
Gusto niya talagang bumaba. Okay. So across the river, guys. Diyan yung Fortitude Valley, yung Filipina restaurant. Hello!
These are high there. I don't think I can throw
Can you
it.
find shells?
See, it's not. Shut down like that. Look, mine. I look.
What's in here? It's just all wipes na. And nappy.
I just
Wipes and nappy. Late na. Anong oras na, baby? Hindi na pa kami nakauwi. Ayan. 6:50. Huh?
pretend this nice birthday particular present for it.
Okay. Oh my God, Celine! Karating namin, guys, nanood kami agad ng Harry Potter kasi gusto ng lola ni Ate Paris na ipa-watch ka Ate Paris. But nagiging bored ang ating Ate Paris kasi sobrang haba. Sobrang haba ng movie. Alam niyo ba, first time ko rin pinanood yung Harry Potter. Never akong nanood niyan before. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga napamili namin from the op shop. Ito ay kay Ate Paris ito. This is Daddy Mike. Babigyaw. Ayan. Daddy. Color. Tingnan niyo. Ano ang misuan ni Mama? Here you go. Oh my God. Celine? You naughty girl. One is kay Daddy Mike pa rin. H&M. Polka dots pang New Year. the shirt. And then another one, last one for him. Brooksfield. This is small, Daddy.
So am I.
Ayan. And then, share ko sa inyo yung napamili ko. At first, doon sa Venice, isa lang yung nabili ko, which is this one. From Topshop. Oh, yung binili ko yun siya, yung pinakita ko kanina. Ba, alam niyo ba? Medyo, ano siya dito, mas malaki. Ah, sakit magsalita. Uy, meron pa rin akong, ano dyan, cold store sa aking lips. So, medyo malaki pa yung dito. Lumiit nga siguro yung ano ko, yung bewang ko. Kasi ito 28. Sobrang palaki pa niya dito. So, paliitan ko na lang. Gusto ko talaga yung length niya. Sobrang ano lang. Iksi ba? Kasi anuhan ko na lang dito. Paliitan para kumasya sa waist ko. Baka sa Pinas ko na ipagawa. Sobrang mahal dito. Dalhin ko to sa Pinas doon ko ipagawa. And then, sa next shop, ito, Michael Kors na, ewan ko kung ano ito, pero I think you can wear it as a belt or something. Ito ang details. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. MK. May Michael Kors dyan tatak. Ayan. Pero maganda siya. Kita ko sa inyo. Siguro suotin ko to belt. Kita. Kapag basic lang yung ano mo, basic lang yung dress mo, pang accessorize, very nice. Meron pang pa-MK dito. I got this one for $20 lang siya, guys. Paano tawag ito? Belly dancing. Taas-taas konti. Then, next one is, tinry ko to sila. So, i-insert ko na lang yung photo. This one is from Zara. Ito yung original price niya, $69. So, basta $70. And then, I bought this for $22. Ayan yung presyo niya. Size small. And then, ito may problema. Stitching top of zip. Ayan. So, merong mga diferensya ba? Pero kunti lang naman. Ayan, masusuot pa rin. Looks very nice. Ganyan lang siya. Kinuha ko to siya kasi mini dress. So, yun yung kailangan natin kasi hindi tayo katangkaran. We need anything na mini. Yan. And then, the next one is this skirt. Ayan, kasi para siyang skirt, pero may short siya. White. Ganyan. Tapos, ganyan yung kanyang likuran. Fake lang yung mga pockets niya sa likod. Ayan. Tapos, pinarisan ko na another one from Zara. Ano siya, parang old rose or mauve pink na top. Very stretchy. Ayan, insert ko yung photo. Sobrang ganda niyang ipares. Itong kulay na ite, diba? Yung kulay na yan, perfect color combination. Tapos, last one is si Lily Girl. Tingnan nyo. Is this skirt, polka dots, also from Zara. Got this one for $18. Original price niya is $99. Ayan, but dahil nga meron siyang konti dito, parang natas-tas lang siya ba? Ayan. It's very easy to fix. Only got it for 18, no? Diba, bongga? Sobrang ganda. Ito siya, hindi ko to siya na-try doon kasi nung paalis na sana kami. Pero, nakita ko siya nung palabas na. Tak. Try natin na kung mag-cash siya na. May shorts pa kasi sa ilalim. Kasya pala. Maganda to siya kapag may palisan mo ng heels. Heels? Heels. Ayan. Very nice. Lambara. Super lovely. So yun lang. Umuwi na kami after nun. What is that?
I'm gonna make potion.
Baby? Tignan niyo. Kulay ka. Ay, no.
I'm
Kulay
gonna
ang
make
mata ito.
potion.
I'm gonna make a potion.
Will you put some water here?
Baby?
What does this letter do? I see what I desire.
Will it go away?
Myself holding this
It's not itchy, is it?
Yeah.
No?
boy.
What are you doing there? Hey, what are you doing there?
Boo, 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 girl,
Oo. Ano paspas na to. Paspasan ang salog kay. Very dusty. Lynn? I'm gonna cut Celine cut long hair.
Can I try?
Lily! Careful na ka kasi you might step on it na. Lala.